Morning everyone, how are you? I hope you're really well. Have you noticed it's Christmas behind me? Not quite, not quite. It is the 24th of November today, so yeah, we're getting there, nearly. Join me to the side of the intro and let's have a look at a new adult subscription box I've got. It's a Geek Gear. I'm so excited to have a look at what's actually inside it. So join me the other side of the intro. So you ready? Hit it, maestro. I'm so excited. Now I've had this a while. I have got a little pile of that corner of subscription boxes and unboxings and so much lovely stuff to show you. Want to know a secret? Promise not to tell. Come closer, come closer, come closer. That's it. I'm doing vlogmas. I am. I was to-ing and froing, and then for those that watch my planning channel, and if you're not yet, go over, have a look, support me. You don't even have to click the notification bell. Go support me. I would love that, love that. I'm trying so hard for it to grow. I think it's 306 wonderful friends have joined me, so if you haven't, please do. It's linked in the description box down below. And when I laid it all out, because I'm doing a planning channel and I put it all in my plans, I counted, there's only 7 days, I haven't actually got a video going up. So I thought, well, I'm gonna do it. Last year, you might have seen some of my wonderful friends on here saying that it's a killer, and it is, because there's so much to record and then there's so much to edit, and we're trying to do different things like advent calendars. And I might have a couple of those, a couple that maybe no one else might have, yeah, and one isn't a pin one either, no. So yeah, I've got a couple of advent calendars, and yeah, I'm really excited to do it. But last year it was crazy because I was going away, but this year we're staying at home, so I've got a bit more time, and I haven't got to record 25 videos before the 1st of December, so we're all right, and we'll get there. We will. So today I have another one of these, which we're going to do during vlogmas, and it's my Geek Gear box. Now, I've never had one of these before, and as you can see, it's got a little number 1 there, because what I'm actually doing is I'm numbering them all as they come in. Because that way then hopefully I can do it in some sort of order. I've also been really clever as well. You ready? Do you want to know another secret? Secret. Over the other side of the camera, I've got a cheat. I have got Blake, and he's sat here so that when I open this box, which is going to be predominantly Harry Potter stuff and wizardry stuff, and we all know that there's not a fat chance of me knowing everything, he's going to tell me what it is. So he's going to appear in the video psychically, not in person, but you will hear his voice when I go, son, what is it? Best to be honest. Right, so then I haven't opened it. It's come like this. It came in a plastic bag, so I took it out of the bag. So let's have a look. Now this is the limited edition Geek Gear box, and I can't remember what's meant to be in it. I can't remember if it's meant to be t-shirts or I really can't remember, but that's what I can see, and it looks like I've got a blue hat. Now, if you didn't know, you should see Blake's face inside of his camera. He's looking at me going, really, Mum? I am Ravenclaw! Now, I can't put it on because after this, I've got to record another video and I won't have my 80s bouffanted fringe, so that's no good, is it? But I've actually got a Ravenclaw hat. How cool is that? And it's the coolest house, isn't it, Blake? He's Gryffindor. He is. Savannah's Slytherin. She is. And Phil's Hufflepuff. So we're one of everything in this house, but yeah, I'm Ravenclaw. I did think I'd actually be Slytherin, so I don't know how quite that worked out. Ooh. Ooh. Okay, now I'm not quite sure what I'm going to do with this, but I have a Ravenclaw tie. Now, I'm not in the habit of wearing ties, so I don't really know why it's there. Could I say I was, I know it's like an adult, could I say it was an adult box? Could I say it was for ladies? I can't honestly remember, but yes, I've got a Ravenclaw tie. Would you like to wear it, Blake? Are you not going to speak? Speak. Oh, forever you will not be able to speak. His eyebrows are so high up now, they're in his hairline. But anyway, right, what else have I got? Ooh, I've got a mug. Right, let's look. This might be a really easy box to open. It might all be mugs. Might be. Maybe it was a Ravenclaw box I ordered. I don't really know what I ordered. Right, so then, it's an everyday mug. It's a Ravenclaw mug. This is like a box of adulation, isn't it, for Ravenclaw house members. What is it? It's just a small mug. But look. Got Harry Potter down the side. And you've got the Raven on there. Oh, that's really cool, that is. And that is, it's a Harry Potter, is it a licensed item? Yeah, Wizarding World, Warner Brothers. So that's really nice, really like that. What else we got in here? See his face, honestly. If I could just swivel the camera around, he's looking at me now going, I have now got some wizardry socks. So Blake, I can now go around with my hat, my tie and my socks for the day. What do you think? Those of us that have children, we understand the looks I'm currently being given. Right, okay. I'm sure if there's something nice in here, he'll try and nick it, as long as it's not Ravenclaw. Right, I've got a poster of some description. I'm going to stick this up in his room, you know, when he's at school. Do you think he'll notice? Now this might actually be an original piece of art. I don't know. Or it's a print. I'm not sure. That's very nice. It's not something I really like, but it's very nice. Right, so then. What else have I got in here? What on earth does this say? Does that say droid, wizard and devil witch? He's just having a look now to tell me what it says. What does it say? What does it say? What's it say?
What did you think it said?
Droid, wizard and devil witch.
There's two pins. One says proud to be a witch, one says proud to be a wizard.
Oh, well, I was quite close, wasn't I then? So proud to be a wizard and proud to be a witch. Do you think I'm a witch, son?
Yes.
Did you hear that? That's really not nice at all, is it? So I've got proud to be a wizard, which is obviously if I was a fella, but I'm not. And then I have got this one, and I should just wear this everywhere, shouldn't I?
Yeah.
Did you hear him? He's getting very brave now. So proud to be a witch. What's this? Oh, is this what it should say? Oh, this is what it tells me inside. So have a look at this afterwards. Then what else have I got? Oh, I've got a scratch and win card. So do you want to do that? You can do that. That's payment for helping me. And then I've also got a wand. I have a wand. So let's have a look. Oh, now this is really, really cool. Are you longing to see it, Blake? I have got a Ravenclaw wand. Look at this. How cool is that, Blake? So I'll do a little spell. Sunnerless, be goodaless, all day longerless. You should see his face. This is a picture. Patronum, Spectrum. What wants to give me a spell?
Expelliarmus.
Expelliarmus. It's still there, it didn't work. So yeah, I like my spell better, didn't you? I'm feeling so mischievous today. But isn't that really, that's really cool. I really like that. So then, let's have a look what it says in this little spoiler. So this was the Ravenclaw box I chose. So, it's all coming back to me now. So, it's called House Pride. So, I should have an exclusive cup, which I have. Exclusive Artist House animal print, which I have. Exclusive long house socks. Can you imagine me now walking around the house with my hat and my tie and my socks? A licensed house cap. Exclusive house wand. Exclusive Proud to Be pin. And exclusive house tie. And it's got a massive thank you from all of us at Geek Gear for purchasing the Geek Gear Wizardry limited edition box. We hope that you enjoy every single item that we have carefully packed into your box and you continue to be a valued member of our ever-growing Geek Gear community. And I love that. And that was fab, wasn't it? And it was all done like parchment paper and wax seal, although it was a sticker. But yes, I hope you enjoyed that. Did we win anything?
No.
We didn't win anything. Oh well, never mind. There's always next time. But thanks so much, everyone. Be good, be kind, take care of yourselves, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now. Bye.